Here he goes again with the EBATES. How to make unlimited $25 referrals using EBATES. There's my check. It's over 50 bucks. Through EBATES, they have an unlimited $25 referral. Infinite. As many people as you can refer to this program as possible. You get $25 every time someone signs up through your link and buys $25 worth of product. They get a $10 gift card from EBATES, and then you get a $25 commission. My link is in the description below, but you can do this as well. And if you're one of those people that's really a hustler, you could potentially be making a referral every day. If you do quick math, I'll make it simple. If you get one referral every week for a year, we'll skip the 2-week paid vacation, that's $1,200 a year. Think of all the things you could buy with an extra $1,200 in the bank. Or maybe you could get like an Xbox, maybe you could go Christmas shopping and get something really nice, or get something nice for your spouse. There's a lot of things you could do with it. So hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I'll let you know when the next check comes in, and I'll step out of the way and you can click on my face, or you could watch the next video that's coming up and leave a comment, tell me that you signed up, and click the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.